So a lot of our customers ask us, is my vehicle going to be the same after it's been in an accident? Or is this accident going to affect the longevity of my vehicle? Hey, I'm Brian Johnson from Manis Body Shop, and I want to answer that question for you today. So longevity of vehicles, is my vehicle going to be the same after an accident? Those are really good questions. And really there's a few main components to think about in terms of how my vehicle's repaired that's going to affect if it's going to be the same after a repair. So the first thing that we want to talk about is parts usage. To make sure that your vehicle is going to be the same after it's been in an accident, Manis Body Shop utilizes OEM parts for your repairs. This means the parts are made by your vehicle manufacturer. They're the only parts that are guaranteed to fit the same and respond the same if it's in a subsequent collision. They're also the only parts that are guaranteed to last as long as your original parts were. The second thing we want to consider is training and OEM repair procedures. Your vehicle manufacturer provides lots of documentation on how to properly repair your vehicle. Our technicians at Manis Body Shop follow those procedure pages. This makes sure that your vehicle is being repaired properly, exactly how the engineers designed your car to be repaired. And then secondly, our technicians are all I-CAR Gold class trained, which means we've attained the highest level of training that's available in our industry, and it also ensures that your repairs are being performed properly. The third thing that we want to think about in the repair process is the type of materials that are being used, and that's the kind of primers, paints, clear coats. That's really important to maintain that factory type finish that your vehicle came with. We utilize Axalta coating systems. That's one of the most advanced coating systems that's been developed for your vehicle, and that helps ensure that your paint and finishes are not only going to look great when they leave, but they're going to last and perform just like they did from the factory. So when you take all those three things and combine them, it helps to ensure to you, the customer, that your repair has been done properly, and that when you get your vehicle back, it's going to look and perform just like it did from the factory. Hey, if you have any other questions or comments about this topic, feel free to leave it in the comments or questions section below. And if you would, just like this video.